Alright guys, this is your boy Jay. We are back with part 2. We got this hooked up here with the grill speakers and horn. Well, should I say the horns, the PA horns and the siren speaker. Let's find a song to play. Let's see how loud this thing is.
It's Vito, baby. Yeah, you got that. On you any time of the night. Girl, I on it. I got time to do it right. Ain't no question. I'ma beat it like Mike. Eat it like pound cake. Drink it fine wine. She got that yummy candy. We gon' need a plan B. Caramel and honey. Pussy sweet like Georgia sweet tea. Put you on the front page. We might start a family. Mind control, yeah. Make you pick up on the first ring. 50-50, love the way you split it. With so much confidence. Like you know it's lit. Oh, promise ain't nobody fucking with it. On your
Just backing up. You see how loud it is?
You got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy. I swear that kitty dangerous, like danger does. I promise. I said a word on my way, yeah, baby.
Just backing up to see how loud it is. Like the second car.
Standing at attention, you so different. I'm glad I got to witness. She hit the hands free, OMG. I'm a ball.
Yeah, you can hear that all the way back here.
She didn't let me know, I'm surprised. She got that yummy candy. I've been in the deep sea. Going from Wakanda, got me trying to meet the family. Doing 180 on the freeway. She sent that text with the tongue. Told me come in.
That's pretty nice. That's pretty. And that's pretty much the end of the song right there, guys. But I just wanted to let you guys see how loud that was. You know, I back it up just to see how farther loud it is from further away. This one is loud, but it don't sound as loud as the Grand Marquis. I think what I need to do is go in and fine tune, you know, the front. Just like that one is, because that thing is extremely loud. So that siren speaker is loud because I tested it on that car and that thing is loud. But what I need to do is just go in and maybe fine tune a little bit. I really don't want it too loud, you know, where it's too loud, but that's loud enough. That's pretty much loud. That's nice enough. You know, I don't want it too loud, man. That's nice. That's nice enough right there. So that's the setup that I'm gonna go with probably all these cars pretty much. You know, we'll use the siren. We'll use these the siren speaker and power them with these two horns. We'll go with the two horns and just go with that particular setup like that. And I'll probably do it for this car here. I might just do all of them. You know, the red Crown Vic. It's about time to get that setup done. And what do I got in here? I got a big PA speaker in here too. So we need to find another big PA speaker and a siren speaker, and go with that. Go from there. So we'll get them all hooked up like that. You know, get it all set up like how this one is with the same thing. Like we said, we got the same thing in this one. You see, we got the siren speaker here and the two PA speakers in the grill. So that's a pretty decent setup for these, and I'm gonna go with all of them pretty much like that, because this one's got it. The presidential got a siren speaker in it, but we gotta change out the other speakers in the front. So, like I said, we'll do them all if we have to. See, this one got a smaller Siren speaker in there, but this one's a 50-watt speaker. So we'll probably, I don't know, I'll figure it out. I'll see what I want to do. Because that one's got a Siren speaker, a PA speaker. All of them got the PA speakers, but I'm just gonna probably do, you know, the setups like this and just go from there, man. That thing, because I actually like this setup better. The words are a lot more clearer with the Siren speakers and the PA speakers. The sound it's much clearer, man. So you got a clear sound from, you know, from the outside of the car. So I think that what I'll do is I'll just go with that particular setup. And for the Grand Marquis, I'm just gonna have to find some bigger subs. We're just gonna have to find some bigger subs. Well, guys, this is the end of this video. So you heard the sound test. I backed up to see how far, you know, how loud it is from a distance. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is your boy Jay coming up with part 2 of the video. I hope you guys like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys know when I bring you more content, you'll be the first to get it. So, guys, y'all be safe, be blessed. Tell your wives, your mothers, your sisters, your daughters, happy Mother's Day. Be blessed, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode. I'm out.